Hi. Firstly, thank you so much for taking out time and doing this review interview with us. Before I start with my sort of questions, it would be wonderful if you could give us all a brief introduction about yourself and name me the university and course you have received the admit from.
So I'm Ritvija Manvi and I've been admitted and I'm a student of MIMSA since December or November, I guess. And it's been great traveling with you as a student and applicant. And I've applied to University of Texas Dallas, University of Maryland, and the Boston University, also the Indian School of Business, and I've received admits from University of Texas and the University of Maryland. For the University of Maryland, I've also received a scholarship.
Wonderful. Many, many congratulations on receiving admits. Wonderful to hear that. So my very first question that I have for you is how exactly did MIMSA contributed towards your application? How has been your journey so far?
So starting off with the brainstorming session, it was very specific and it let me know about what are the exact universities which I have to be applying according to my profile.
Right.
And what are the countries I need to be targeting for my schools. And also they told me about the pros and cons about each university. And they also guided me with the GMAT resources, also the IELTS resources. It was in the beginning, and then the profile evaluation session was done, where I was told to improve my profile in various ways and getting registered on Reddit, also contributing to Quora, Reddit, and also some of the volunteering activities to be in my profile. And this was the thing. And after that, my applications were very seamlessly done. The doubt was clarified very easily, and they were on time. They were replying very quickly, and it was great working with MIMSA.
Wonderful. So there are few people who are continuously in touch with you to help you out with the process, be it your in-house counselor or the alumni consultant who are taking the calls with you to make you understand the structure and everything. Also the editor who is assigned to you to help you enhance your documents, your essay SOPs. So I want to know and understand from your perspective, how has their contribution impacted the overall application?
So the person who was my personal counselor, he guided me with all the essay topics and how it should be written in order to effectively provide our message to the university, as in exactly showing us I'm the person who is writing the essay and exact profile to be understood by the university. And it was edited very perfectly and exactly what I had to be said to the university. This is a great thing actually. Otherwise it would be very difficult, because before the essay analysis calls, I used to write essays by myself, but I was not sure about the exact point I was conveying to the university.
Right. You also spoke about different CRM resources that were given to you, be it the IELTS material or the scholarship support or all the additional masterclasses and etc. being available on the portal, including the essay samples and all the other resources as well. I wanted to ask you about the feedbacks about the individual people who were added to the group, etc. Also, there are post-application process in terms of loan, visa, accommodation. You also talked about the profile building session that we have done. So if I put you on the spot where I have to ask you this question, that out of all the services that were given to you from the start to the end, if you need to evaluate everything and just come out with one final or one particular service that you like the most, or let's call it like that you found it to be the most effective one or your favorite service out of all of them, which one would that be and why?
I think the most effective and most useful service to me was the interaction with my consultant. That was really great. He not only gave me the information about the universities and how to craft essays, but brought me into an actual thought where what I was actually thinking and what I was actually doing and what should I do in order to get the admits. And it has benefited me so much that I received great scholarships as well as $7,500. It is really great. And from that university.
Amazing. So, what made you choose MIMSA? I'm often curious to know people that when was the particular moment when you decided that okay, this is the institution that I want to go ahead with, and whatever additional help and assistance required for my application, this particular organization is going to be somebody who is going to provide all the help required out here. So, what was the point when you made the decision that I want to go ahead with MIMSA?
So, firstly, it was all over the Instagram.
Right.
And when I started looking for my consultants online or offline, I was not sure about anyone was not providing this essay service or end-to-end services which I'll be benefited most.
Correct.
And then I started reviewing and everything. I started researching about this institution, reading all the comments in the Google reviews and the ratings also in the everywhere. Every student has said that they have been benefited in a great way, and it triggered me to take their services. I started to interact with one of the consultant over call for almost half a month, and then I started.
Okay. What advice do you have to give to the people out there who are like just starting off with their application journey? Maybe it's more like something you have already been through, so something you want to suggest to them or give an advice or some tips and tricks about the process that they should keep in mind before starting off with their application journey.
So all the students who are going to apply to the universities, or if you aim to give the best applications to the universities in order to get accepted, I think you need to get into with the MIMSA team, and not only the exact applications but the crafting of our applications in a way it should be accepted is done by MI. Yeah, this is the thing. If you want to get into top universities, you have to go there.
Perfect. I mean, I wanted to ask you in the end that if somebody is skeptical about choosing our services, what would you tell them? But you have already answered it for us, that you would go ahead and do advise people out there to try out our services. Lovely to hear that. Thank you so much for your time. I'm done with my set of questions, and it was great speaking to you. I wish you all the very best. Lots of good wishes for your future endeavors and your post-grad journey ahead. Feel free to reach out to us at any point in time if you think that you need any kind of help required from our end. We will be very delightful to be there and help you and provide all the additional help needed. Thank you so much, and once again, many congratulations.